Okay, I will lose you the moment I fall in love with you. I use up my view before you call.
Labo. God, ang labo.
Tanggalin ko na muna sa lipon ko.
Look at that. Hachi is, Hachi is wondering. Baby, it's the one way back when.
Seryoso? Ayun na, oh. Oh, di ba? Sabi sa'yo.
Ayoko. Hindi naman
Dali na kasi.
Bahala.
2 hours?
Ang tinalo.
27 minutes. Malayo. Parang nagkarlan ah. Ay, may naman sa nagkarlan. Lilit ka. Parang kamay. Malayo naman ang kamay dito. Kamay na isos.
Malayo naman ang kamay niya. Dito, oh my God. Malamig. Natanggalan ako ng fake nails sa middle finger. Malamig, oh my God. Pamalit and nasa double deck kami.
Wala na ang her ear niya.
Alam nyo, kanina natakot siya sa dagat kanina kasi medyo binasabasa ko siya sa dagat.
Nani, Dusty? Bawal. Easy, take a picture.
Naiyak.
Chi! Wala ka na kinalat ko. Chi, ano ako tuloy buhangin? About to sleep and look at
Isang may bonnet, isang namang wala, isang maganda.
Hi guys.
Asan siya? Huwag mong kanin si Hachi.
Good morning, Hachi.
Hindi. Filter.
Hachi. Let's see outside, guys.
Yung mga nagsa-sound trip.
Hello guys! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Nandito po kami ngayon sa Lian, Batangas Beach. Ayan o, ganda ng anak ko. Hello Grace! Good morning Grace! Ganda-ganda naman ng anak ko. Yeah! Ayan o. Ayan o, ayan. Hello. Malamig kasi mahangin. Ayan o. Good morning po sa ating lahat. Thank you Lord. Nakapag-beach po kami ngayon. Ayan. Overnight.
Ayan, ang nagsasabi sa akin. Bye guys. Mainit yung dagat. Uy! Ito yung aso na inaaway nila. Guys, ang sobrang init ng sobrang ganda ng temperature ng tubig kasi hindi malamig. Ang init. Oh my God! Ano? Okay na? What are you doing, bro? Look at my footprints, guys. Whoa. Meron kaming, oh my God! She died on May. Ano? Meron pa rin na pala ka. Naghahanap kami ng shelves. And meron na akong shelves dito. Nasa room kasi yung lalagyan ng shelves namin. Wow! Let's watch it. Naka-fake nails ako, manis. Habang nag-aalan ako. The trash is not giving. Let's put it in here. Walking to the Ang tatay ko, babad na babad. Bisa na, yun na! Ayun na! Isa pa, yan, ayun na! Okay na yan!
Hello! Talon! Video! Balat? Balat? Bawal sa dagat?
So, magbalik lang ako para makapag-swimming na kami. Nag-block ako at hindi ko ginamit yung ano. Isit ka! Oh my God! Woo! Ay, buko!
Ayan na, oh. Wagi, sama, 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan na, ano, agad na ng ano! Mami, oh. Uy! Oo nga. Pasiba na. Ayan, ah. Doon kayo apat, oh. Naka-video kayo. 650. Naka-video to.
lang kami ng outfit namin pang picture. And buti hindi pa na yung nails ko. Kanina guys, sumigaw si ate, tapos may nakita siyang starfish na apakan niya, tapos hinagis niya. So, hindi ko nakita. Ang liwa. Iyak na iyak si ate.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't wanna believe my feelings for you. I didn't wanna believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt. But I can't help it, I'm falling for you, and I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you. Please tell me, boy, can you get a clue or come through? 'Cause I just want to be with you. I'm scared of telling you how I feel. Maybe it's better if I just try to conceal the truth for me and for you. But I'm still stuck on you. I'm still falling for you, for you.
Make it to the plans we made. Something came up, I'm booked down. Got so much work that I just found a trip outside I can't allow. Maybe if I planned ahead, I'd feel a little more at ease. When I talk about my plans and why I can't come out tonight, I laugh and I fall for my own lies. I can't leave my room.
This is our last day today. Last day, guys. Last day. And later, we're going to church. Ay, yung Casey, nakita mo ba yung rings ko sa CR? Casey? Kasi, naiwan ko siya eh. Hindi na nasuot mo yun.
I can't leave my room. I've got so many things I gotta do. Checklist on the wall. Oh, you seem rather tall. I can't leave my room. I made a daily schedule yesterday. Even if I missed the first thing on the list, and 100 due got to do bits, I'm sure tomorrow's the day. I can't leave my room.
But excellent procrastinating, it's all on me. Please don't think that I don't care at all. If I could, I'd be out that door. But you know that I've got to stay, 'cause I've got too much on my plate. I said that yesterday.
I can't leave my room. I've got so many things I gotta do. Checklist on the wall. Oh, you seem rather yesterday. Even if I miss the first thing on the list, and 100 do-day cuts to bits, I'm sure tomorrow's the day. I can't leave my room. I swear I can't leave my room. La-da-dee-da, la-da-dee-da.
Summer drift, city humps soft under golden rays. Sneakers tap slow on these hazy days. Got my shades low, vibe smooth as the breeze. Summer's got me swaying through the urban trees. Jazz in the air, just flow like a dream. Silk shirt catching light, I'm part of the scene. Every corner's alive with a rhythm so pure. Summer's pulse is calling and I'm feeling the allure. Summer drift, rolling with the vibe, chasing sunlit moments where the soul resides. Style so clean in the heat's embrace, grooving through the city in this timeless space. Rooftop glows with the sunset's hue, sipping iced tea, skyline in my view. Vinyl spins soft like a whisper of time. Every beat's a story, every even the size will tell you.
Uy, Popoy ba siya? Kanta tayo na ano yung ano. Uy, meron akong kanta na sa Spotify kasi wala na akong premium.
Ang gabilis lang nyo.
I love it.
Tilted just right, I'm lost in the groove. Summer's got my heart making every move. From the streets to the stars, it's a jazzy affair. Feeling so alive with the warm night air. Summer drift, rolling with the vibe, chasing sunlit moments where the soul resides. Style so clean in the heat's embrace, grooving through the city in this
Nagkakaroon po tayo ng monthly formation sa June 14. Ang tema po natin ay sama-samang paglalakbay sa pananampalataya, kapiling ang nanalaging saklol. Ang ating resource speaker
When the moonlight spills and the city's calm, the beat keeps flowing like a soothing balm. Every glance, every step, it's a summer art.
3, go! Thank you guys for watching. Finally, we're home. Thank you guys for watching. Ang ingay nyo. Gana tayo. Ako pa yan, hindi ka gaganon.
Feeling all the sky.